Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about ANKR price prediction and ANKR news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for ANKR in 2022. Ankr, ANKR, is an Ethereum token powered by the Ankr WEB3 infrastructure platform, which serves as a decentralized financial platform for cross-chain staking. It is designed to make working in the blockchain ecosystem simple and affordable. In it, you can create decentralized applications, run nodes and participate in staking. The ANKR token is used to pay for services on the Ankr platform, such as API services and node deployment, and also acts as insurance for network members, and allows participation in blockchain governance. The Ankr network was founded in 2017 at the University of California at Berkeley as a distributed computing platform that takes advantage of blockchain technology. Co-founder Chandler Song was an engineer at Amazon Web Services and is now CEO of Ankr, while co-founder Ryan Fang was an investment banker at Morgan Stanley. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about ANKR. Venezuelan users accidentally cut off from MetaMask wallet after Infer goof up. MetaMask and Infer came under fire from crypto Twitter as it accidentally blocked Venezuelan users from accessing its service while attempting to comply with new sanctions announced by the United States of America. Infer claimed that it had changed specific settings too broadly, and that the mistake has since been required. However, the incident has also brought into focus the turmoil and confusion recent events between Russia and Ukraine have caused in the crypto space. New geoblocks to blame Infer is owned by Ethereum conglomerate Consensus, and had applied certain geoblocks after the United States had announced new sanctions due to the ongoing conflict between Russia and Ukraine. However, Infer, while complying with the sanctions, applied the geoblocks too broadly, as revealed in a series of tweets, resulting in users from Venezuela also getting their access cut off. The mistake has since been rectified, but brought into sharp focus a point of failure, which critics pointed out, should not be present in something that has been billed as the uncensorable internet. A Consensus spokesperson stated, Infer closely monitors changes to U.S. sanctions programs announced by the Office of Foreign Assets Control, and narrowly tailors its internal controls to comply with the law. Currently, those regions are Iran, North Korea, Cuba, Syria, and the Crimea, Donetsk, and Luhansk regions of Ukraine. Intense scrutiny on crypto to comply with sanctions. Infer's blockade of certain regions comes after regulators have put increased pressure and scrutiny on the crypto industry and its compliance with sanctions imposed by the United States, European Union, and other countries against Russian businesses and entities. Already, lawmakers such as U.S. Senator Elizabeth Warren and German Finance Minister Christian Lindner have highlighted their concerns, stating that Russia could use crypto to mitigate the effects of the sanctions and undermine them. Sources from the crypto space have indicated that exchanges could block sanctioned individuals, but have so far not blocked entire nations. Mistake causes significant uproar by design. MetaMask requires Infer to be able to access the Ethereum blockchain. Until users have altered this, MetaMask is also subject to Infer's geoblocks. This was on full display for crypto Twitter when Infer cast too wide a net, albeit mistakenly, while attempting to comply with sanctions, leading to users in Venezuela being cut off. Rumors swirled that there was a complete blockade, and commentators also incorrectly alleged that MetaMask was barred in a country known for crypto booms, and where the United States had imposed some sanctions. However, MetaMask issued a swift clarification, stating the following in a tweet, in changing some configurations as a result of the new sanctions directives from the United States and other jurisdictions, we mistakenly configured the settings more broadly than they needed to be. MetaMask also acknowledged the uproar in the community and apologized, stating that the issue had been rectified, while explaining it relies on Infer for blockchain access. CEO of Smurdefi, Kieran Daniels, tried to sum up the events, stating that MetaMask is still a decentralized tool. However, the wallet's default connections are not. Open season for sanctions. The entire event drew focus on the topic of running a seemingly uncensorable financial service through centralized means. Companies such as Infer are critical, providing developer and infrastructure services to a host of Ethereum projects. However, the company is also a US-based company that is subject to federal law, which is why it has to comply with sanctions. CEO of Ankr, Josh Schnurth, summed up the situation as a centralized entity funded by investors like JP Morgan. Infrastructure providers like Infer are subject to regulatory concerns. This over-reliance on centralized service providers goes against everything that Web3 stands for and is meant to be, and represents a central point of failure that shouldn't exist in the first place. Ankr is also a US-based company, and when asked if it would also comply with directives from the US Treasury Department, Schnurth replied in the affirmative, but stated that the team is working towards moving to a protocol existing in a network run by a DAO, and not a centralized company. And at the end of the video, we will traditionally make a small forecast for the next couple of years. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid price growth and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Ankr, ANKR, a good investment? How much will Ankr be worth in 2025, or how much will Ankr be worth 10 years from now? Ankr Price Prediction 2022. In 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, Ankr price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $0.096 in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.086, with a maximum price of $0.096 for 2022. Ankr Price Forecast 2023. It looks like by 2023, Ankr, ANKR, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2023, we can expect the average rate to be 12 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Ankr's maximum price could be up to 15 cents in 2023. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Ankr Rate Forecast 2024. The current price range of Ankr may be of interest to many traders, and therefore ANKR could reach $0.20 by 2024 with significant cooperation from financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of 17 cents for 2024, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2024. Ankr Price Prediction 2025. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Ankr could cross 29 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2025. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2025 will be around 25 cents. ANKR, Price Prediction 2026. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Ankr will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2026, ANKR is expected to peak at 42 cents. The minimum bet could go up to 35 cents if the market turns bullish. Ankr Course Prediction 2027. ANKRs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Ankr, the price could rise much higher. By 2027, it may reach a maximum value of 60 cents. ANKR is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2027 could end with an average price of 52 cents, a minimum price of 51 cents, and a maximum price of 60 cents. ANKR Rate Prediction 2028. ANKR will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Ankr rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2028, the Ankr rate will be almost 73 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 88 cents. Ankr average price forecast for the end of 2028 could be around 75 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. ANKR Price Prediction 2029. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term ANKR price forecast will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention.